Welcome back. Let's do question 512. Factorize the following expression fully. We can only factorize this expression by grouping in pairs. So we're going to factorize the first pair and then we factorize the last pair. So if we check the first pair, the highest common factor there is 2xy. So we factor out 2xy. And then if we say 6x squared y divided by 2xy, we get 22 1, 26 3. So x into x squared, there is x, and then y goes. So we remain with 3x. So we have 3x, and then negative 10xy divided by 2xy. xy and xy will give us 1 if you divide them. If you divide xy by xy, you get 1, and then on negative 10 divided by 2, you get negative 5. So this is 5 here. Then we come to the second pair. The highest common factor here is 5, so we factor out positive 5. Then 15x divided by 5, this is 3x. Then negative 25 divided by 5 is negative 5. So we have a common bracket here, which is this. We can factor it out, 3x minus 5. Right, and then the second bracket, if you say 2xy times 3x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 5, we get 2xy. And then 5 times 3x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 5, you get 5. Or just say the common bracket forms the first bracket, and then this coefficient and this coefficient form the second bracket. Okay, so we have factorized here, but also we can move this 15x, so it becomes 6x squared y plus 15x. This is an alternative method. Let me say here, and then minus 10xy minus 25. And then the highest common factor here between 6x squared y and 15x is 3x. So we factor out 3x. Then 6x squared y divided by 3x, we get 2x y. And then 15x divided by 3x, we get 5. And then here we factor out negative 5. And then negative 10xy divided by negative 5 is positive 2xy. Then negative 25 divided by negative 5 is positive 5. So we have our common bracket, which is 2xy. We factor it out. And then our second bracket, we're going to have 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. So you see that it's just the same thing. We have 3x minus 5 here, 3x minus 5. 2xy plus 5, 2xy plus 5. So we have factorized fully.